CNC metalworking machines use electric power, so they're connected to the power grid. They use compressed air, so they're connected to the compressed air supply. And they use metalworking fluids. But there's no connection to water or emulsion oil. Until now. Now you can connect your machine to oil and water with the will fill. The will fill keeps your metalworking fluid in optimal shape. It automatically fills, measures and adjusts to settings you define. The will fill is equipped with different sensors that measure and register 7 critical parameters of your metalworking fluid's condition. It uses its reactor chamber to set up these sensors with the emulsion oil you use and the quality of your water supply. But there's more. Through Wi-Fi, you can access your will fill's cloud dashboard. You can remotely monitor your metalworking fluid's condition, set up email notifications, or extract data about consumption values. And even set up alerts so you can schedule maintenance to prevent mold grow on metalworking fluids. The will fill increases productivity, reduces water and emulsion oil consumption, extends the metalworking fluid's lifetime, increases machining performance, and lowers your environmental footprint. Even when production takes a break, your will fill keeps your metalworking fluid going.